In 3, 2, 1. What happened? We were slap battle fighting. I don't know. What's up and welcome to another episode of Gizmo Slip. Today we have the slappiest slap battle of all time. In this corner we have the iPhone 10 and in this corner we have the Note 8. The goal of this slap battle is to determine which phone will take less damage when they slap together. This is the slapistry equivalent of a boxer derobing in front of his opponent. I gotta say that the Note 8 plastic is a little flimsy. It doesn't give quite the same satisfaction as the iPhone 10. Oh. What's up and welcome to the first match of the WCSSB, the World Championships of Smartphone Slap Battles. We have the Note 8 versus the iPhone 10. We're filming this at 5,000 frames per second. I can't wait to see who wins. Will the Note 8 or the iPhone 10 take the World Championship lead? Or will they both go down in blundering fire? Make your bets in the top right corner. No, don't bet. Betting is bad. Don't bet. Post who you think is gonna win in the top right corner. I can't wait to find out who's gonna win. I've got my money on iPhone 10. I think the Note 8's gonna die. It's got a bigger screen, more vulnerable. We've got the spunky iPhone 10 with the impact resistant screen, and we've got Gorilla Glass 5 on the Note 8, which is pretty strong. Let the slap down begin. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. What happened? Let's find out. Kabam! Kabam! They both survived. They both took the first hit on round 1. It's time to re-hot glue gun these bad boys to the sticks and go for a round freaking 2. Now, even though it looks like I'm moving the sticks really slowly, this is at 5,000 frames per second, so it's going really fast. It's closing, the jaws of death, except not. They both pop off their hot glue gun sticks and tumble completely okay from the first impact. And here we go. It's on to round 2. The iPhone is not turning on for us. Let's take it upstairs and see if the doctors can revive this iPhone 10. Maybe a little plug-in power from the Juicy-minator. That's the wall outlet. And then we'll find out if it can power on. Okay, plugging it in. Any power. Give me the power. What if we hold both at the same time? Nothing. I think we did this iPhone 10 in with just one slap. What the heck? All right, well, we'll leave it plugged in for another minute or two, but I think it's done. At some point, the iPhone 10 display stopped working. At first, right after the slap, the display appeared to be working just fine. So let's see if we can figure out when it happened. So here's right after the slap, pulling it up. Both phone displays are on. We can see the battery is full. So the battery is not low. And at this point, the iPhone display is off. And I did not turn it off. It was set to be on permanently. And here I am trying to turn the iPhone display on. It won't turn on anymore. That is a weird way for an iPhone to die. Are we sure we didn't swap them out at some point? Like, did you take it somewhere, Jeff? Like, what the heck happened? I swear we're not faking this. It died on its own somehow after the fact. Last chance, Apple. Anything? Nothing. The phone is not hot. It's acting normal. Just nothing. We have a winner, folks! The Note 8 somehow managed to do a KO punch. It's like a puncher punched a guy so hard, the round ended, and while that boxer was waiting for round 2 to start, the other boxer fainted. I can't believe that's how the end of the first slap battle works. I gotta say, this was a pretty surprising result. I wasn't expecting the iPhone 10 to take the initial impact and then just stop working completely. So there you have it, the iPhone 10 is destroyed. Even though the glass in the iPhone 10 is just fine, something internally broke and it's just completely donezo. So I, Brandon Baldwin, commissioner of the World Championships of Smartphone Slap Battles, declare the Note 8 the first and reigning champion. Who should the Note 8 face against next? The OnePlus 5T? The Razer phone? Or maybe its spunky little brother, the Galaxy S8? Post your opinion down below. And if you want to see more epic slap battles, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell. We'll see you next time. Brandon, out.